has been amazingly engaged and has been hardworking all these days, working really, really hard to introduce some very cool features we have in HQ Webinar now. These are mind-blowing. I caught you saying, Madhav, you know, when I just got on, that you know, this is a very stable platform, and you know, the uptime is very high, and you know, even our strongest of critics at times say that HQ Webinar is the platform that is always available, even if everything else, you know, is going up and down and all that kind of, which is not you know, uncommon for new products. I mean, you know, even established products like Facebook's Metaverse very soon. The company is going to be called, all that kind of stuff also goes down. But HQ Webinar is, you know, it's very stable. But we're making this even better and introducing some amazing features this time. And Madhav, you're going to talk about it today. And you know, everybody has all the right to be super excited about it. We also have, you know, some surprises towards the end. But Madhav, I don't want to, you know, spoil your flow. Just go through this amazing, beautiful presentation you've made. You always say you're not good at this, but you know, that's a lot of bullshit. You are really, really good at you know, what you've created. I loved it, and then just go ahead with that and the demo, and I can't wait for you to also present the surprise. So, which is why for everybody who's joining the call, you know, please stay until the end, because today we are going to also provide to you something that you absolutely don't want to miss. I'm not going to reveal anything more. You know, I'm known for secrecy. Yeah, everybody say, yeah, spill the beans, all that. I'm not doing that. You have to stay until the end. Madhav's going to reveal the secret later, and this might be your chance. With that said, Madhav, you're on.
Thank you. So in the last webinar, we offered one free copy of Zextra bundle license, which was around $497 worth. And in this webinar, we are also going to provide a free copy of Zextra. So there's no secrets anymore. Sorry, Dr. Samir. Okay. So first thing first, we are going to talk about HQ Webinar, right? So the second slide is about who we are. As you know, like you all have participated in this journey so far. You guys always supported us. You guys always showed your trust, and you always gave us your valuable feedback and very, very important inputs. And that's the reason we could actually make it. We could do it, right? So, yeah. I'm sorry, I just can't stop myself reading these messages, but I would really appreciate if you can just hold these messages for the end of the session. We are going to have a Q&A. You will be able to ask your questions, and I will definitely try my best to answer all those questions. Okay, so who we are? We are Mintware Ventures, and the company which actually created multiple very bad products initially, then kept working on those products to make them better for our users. Then today we can say proudly we have a couple of one of the best products in the market, especially in the market where we are actually coming from. So the products which are coming in this market, you can totally understand the quality of products we are working on nowadays. It is outstanding, like MailZap, like Firelist, like Zextra. Every single product we are working on is top notch. We are not actually compromising on anything, not on infrastructure, not on technology, not on even support. Today I can say proudly that we have hired a dedicated team of 3 support engineers, and today we have 0 technical ticket in our on our support dashboard. And that was really, really amazing, because in the last couple of months support was pathetic. I can totally agree, and I have no shame to accept it, because if you can't accept your failures, you can't actually achieve the success, for sure. This is my a philosophy. So if you have actually gone through some ups and downs with Zextra Mintware downtime, I totally understand that, because I have already explained in my last couple of webinars and meetups that yeah, we are actually running on very old technology. But from the moment when we decided at the time of launching MailZap that we are not going to like work on any obsolete technology. We are going to use all the new technologies, and we move to MERN stack, which is like a Mongo, React, and Node. So it is working pretty fine. It's 99.9% uptime for MailZap and Firelist. It never goes down, and so is Extra. And now HQ Webinar. So HQ Webinar is not going to be down at all. It is going to be 99.9% up. So it's a good news for you guys, right? We are like Mintware Ventures, as I've already told you, and I'm sure you know about the company. We have a couple of very good products like Zextra, MailZap, Firelist, Xfunnels, CodeZP, HQ Webinar, Zcart, EverZP, and NeedZP. And we are the only company in this market which actually gives all free upgrades to our existing users, and we never disappoint, or we never take our users as granted. So we are known for that. We got hundreds of very positive testimonials from our users. Every user is actually praising and give us their kind words. So we really appreciate your very positive testimonials, and I always appreciate your criticism and your negative feedback, which actually helps us in making things better. So yeah, because I will just I did not mention the Streamout in this list because there is still a couple of things are still pending in Streamout to be in this list. So we are going to release a newer version of Streamout, and then I will add that product in this list, because this is the list which actually have very solid and stable product right now. So I have just mentioned those products which are actually going to be the top notch and going to be the 100% stable and 100% like ready, done for you, and ready to sell. So we are going to talk about a couple of things in this webinar. I am Madhav and Dr. Samir Joshi. We are partners, we are brothers, we are friends. And I met Dr. Samir in Dublin, and that was the day actually it changed my life. And I really appreciate Dr. Samir's guidance, and he always treats me like a younger brother. And in his guidance, we have grown a lot, and we have done a lot of magical things. So I really appreciate Dr. Samir, and I hope we will definitely go. There's a way to go, and. Thank you so much. And what is the agenda? We are going to talk about HQ webinar in this webinar today. I'm not a webinar person, honestly speaking. I've recently started doing webinars because I'm not a kind of a very solid marketing guy or very solid communication guy, but English is not my native language. This is my second language. So I don't have that good command on the language. So I always avoid doing webinars, but Dr. Samir actually motivates me that you should do webinars because you understand your products better. And I'm sure you can actually, help people to let them know how to use the products, and to just give them guidance to how can they actually use your products to make things even better. So, and I would love to share a couple of things with you before moving ahead. So some statics of, thank you so much. Some statics of version 4.0, which is the last version. And we had this version, we released this version, I think a couple of months back. I'm sure most of you have used it already, but most of you must have missed. So let me just give you a very brief statics about this version. We had 78% webinars hosted without any trouble in this version, but not 100%. So our target is going to be 100% in this version of HQ Webinar Reloaded. And total number of users we have for HQ Webinar is like 12,349 till today. And these number of users have actually successfully hosted 512,745 webinars so far. So from the day one till today, we have hosted 512,000 plus webinars already on HQ Webinar. And if I'll show you my account after, during the demo, you will understand that how many webinars we have hosted and recorded during our launches and all the trainings and all backend webinars. So what were the major issues in the older version? What was the, because if you can't share the problems, if you can't shout out about your issues or bugs or troubles, I'm sure you should not talk about your success, or you should not talk about the your the kind of things. So I would really love to talk about this thing, that we had issues in the last version. So the biggest issue was uptime. So like it was a part of Mintware Suite earlier. So Mintware Suite used to be like the older technology, and now we have actually changed it. So now it is hosted on some better infrastructure. It is like we redo everything, and now it is completely working fine, and uptime is going to be 99.9%. So there will be no downtime for HQ Webinar. First, a second thing, there was a time zone issues earlier. Like everybody was worrying about, okay, I'm getting a different time, like in my email, my users are getting different time in my emails, and it was a problem. Right now, it is going to be definitely resolved. Reminder emails were landing in the spam. Now I'm damn sure the emails which you have received must be, landed in your inbox or updates, not in the spam for sure, right? Okay. So reminder emails. Now we have changed the reminder emails, and we have changed the way it actually is going to be sent. And the major feature we have added in newer version of HQ Webinar, which is called invite feature. Earlier, we had this feature that you can actually add users, but when you're adding someone, actually it is going to be registered automatically, right? When somebody is going to be registered automatically, it looks very shady, because when I just added a couple of users in my last webinars, I got many emails that I have not registered for this webinar. Why did I get the email that I have registered for this webinar? So after having this understanding that, okay, we should not actually add people, but we should have the invite only feature, that you can send invitation to your users or the people who have actually joined your last webinars. So let's say if you have 2,000 people who have joined your last webinars as an attendee, you can actually send them an invitation, and the people will be able to, if they are interested, they can actually register themselves. So this invitation feature is a very new feature. It is not available in any webinar platform, where you can actually send an invite, and they can actually join back to your for your webinar. It is going to be very helpful for the people who are going to have a webinar, who are going to host a webinar, and they don't know how to get an audience. Let's say if you have 5,000 users, or if you have 2,000 users, and you want to just send them an invitation, their invitation will be sent to their inbox. If they are really interested, they can actually join back your webinar, and you will have a better audience than right now. Okay, so this is an amazing update in this. Anirudh, I will reply a question at the end, so please don't raise your hand as of now. Okay, and the customization and marketing tools, it is very important. It was missing in last couple of versions, that we didn't have the marketing tools like polls, proper CTAs, some amazing tools like this invitation invite only feature. And not only just this, but if you have already have a couple of users or attendees in your last webinars, you can actually download them, and you can connect your Mails app. Mails app connectivity is already there now. So you can connect your Mails app, and you can start building list automatically inside Mails app or Fire List. Okay, that feature is already there now. I'm not reading your questions. I will read those questions later, and I will answer them. I will try my best to reply as soon as possible, but please hold your questions, and stop typing right now, because it's distracting me again and again. Or I'll just close this public chat window for myself. Now we have 121 people in this webinar, and webinar is running so smooth. I'm really, really excited. Okay, so this is the thing which we are going to share. What are the major updates in version 5.0, which we called Reloaded? Okay, first thing first, it is more scalable and robust. When I'm saying scalable, I'm talking about it has deployed on a very scalable servers with the proper Kubernetes and proper containerization. So when you are going to have more people, it will scale automatically. So now product is pretty scalable. First thing. Second thing, it is more robust. So if you are going to have more users, it will never go down or it will never be slower. Definitely, it actually depends on your internet speed. You must know that the product actually, the last version was not able to work with the mobile phones, because the product which I'm using right now, the room is new, but the product is actually, I've created this webinar before this newer version. So right now I'm using older version, not the newer version, but the room is actually new. So load balance will be done automatically for sure, Hasmukh. Thank you for adding this. Yeah. And mobile device support is actually there now. You can have earlier, if you are in our Skype group, I used to share the replay page, and it was not it never worked on mobile like iPhones. No, it works on iPhones, it works on iPads, it works on Android devices, it works on every single device. But as you know, this is a cloud-based application. You have to understand how cloud-based application works and what you have to do to achieve this cross-browser and cross-platform compatibility. So if you have a cloud-based application, let's say if you are using GoToWebinar, every person who is using GoToWebinar has to download and install the GoToWebinar app in the computer or phone devices. But here, you don't have to. You can actually use browser and you can host your webinar like this one we are doing right now, okay? So you have to understand that if you are using like Chrome, Android devices, you should always use Chrome. And if you are using, your mobile iPhone or Mac devices, you can actually do it on Safari as well. So you can consider that browser as an app for this webinar, right? Like if you are using GoToWebinar, you have to download the app, then you have to install it, but you don't have to do it here. So, but you have the Chrome and you have the Safari already inbuilt in your computer, which you can just open and you can start hosting webinar or using webinar or joining webinar. So yeah, it is still cloud-based, but we have tried our best to achieve as much as compatibility possible. So now it is compatible with almost every device, and a replay page will work on almost every device. And we have tested it properly, and we are giving you to test, so you can actually test as well, right? This is not going to be the final update. You will get more updates or more upgrades in near future. As you know, we are working on Mimo app, and this Mimo is going to be one of the best work we have ever done, right? This is going to be the artificial intelligence-based sales and marketing suite, where you will have all kind of products or the kind of things we have done so far. Like you want to create a campaign for funnels or landing pages or surveys or meetings or webinars or email campaign or anything like that, you will be able to do that inside the Mimo. So once Mimo is there, all users will be migrated to the Mimo. Still, we are working on that. It is not in the existing as of now, but it is in the plan. So design is ready, infrastructure is ready, libraries are ready, the user interface is ready. We are still working on it, and it will be coming pretty soon. Okay, so as an entrepreneur or marketer, you know the power of interactively communicating with customers. This is what I've written here, and written by Dr. Samir, so I just copied the content, right? Okay. HQ Webinar gives you all the tools to conduct webinars and boost your sales and share the content with your customer base with ease. Okay. So what you can do, what kind of webinars you can run inside the HQ Webinar Reloaded? You can conduct sales webinars. You can run live online summits. We'll talk about these things. Okay. You can provide, you can give demonstration or trainings. You can have the breakout room feature now. So breakout room is an amazing feature. I will show you how it works. And you can have the awesome and smart recordings. Okay, so we will talk about that, Hasmukh. Recordings is like you can have the recordings which will work on every device. First of all, second thing, you can if you are just sharing something, I'll show you the recording. It is going after this webinar. I will show you the recording. This recording will not be just a video recording. It is going to be a recording where you can have your chat in the left hand side, and every screen which you have here, it is going to be like a live webinar. So whenever you are sharing it with someone, the person will feel like, okay, it is just having a real live webinar right now, and it will give you a very good impression like to your audience. So like unlike GoToWebinar or other platforms, it is going to be more and more smart and more intuitive. Okay, so sales webinars, like you can have a polls feature like CTA, live, share, and all those features. Like, okay, let me just show you. I'm just going to run a poll here. Then I'll show you how it is going to look like. Do you like HQ webinar so far? Right. After this, just say yes, no, or I hate it. Okay. I love it. It's okay. And I'm going to start the poll. You see, you get the like a poll window. Now here you can start just giving your opinion. So we've got 27% like people, I loved it, it's okay. 11% people said it's okay, but nobody said it, I hate it. So you can see that, right? I've got 60 people who actually given their poll. So they participated in the poll. I can now publish the polling results as well. I can share it like on my screen, or I can share it with the audience as well. So if I'll just click on publish from here, I can do it right now, or I think if people are still just voting for this, so I'll just wait for a couple of seconds more. We've got 132 users. I just made everyone public here. Everybody can see all other users, but I have the option where I can make this list invisible for other users. So you have this option now. You have the breakout room features. I will just share my screen and then I'll show you after this. Okay, now I'm going to publish this now. So guys, you won't be able to make the participate in the poll anymore. Okay, here we go. You can see my screen in the bottom right. You can see that okay, did you what are the actually your just a moment. Okay, here we go. You see, I loved it. It's okay. I hate it. You can see in the bottom right. So that is the actually kind of polling results you can see, and you can see the polling result in the chat window in the left-hand side, right? Okay, now thank you, Stevie. Thank you, Will. Thank you everyone. Thank you, Hasmukh. Okay, now this is the one kind of a feature. Now I can actually share a Vimeo or any kind of a video here inside the HQ webinar. So let's say I've got a video here, and which is Zextra's VSL. So if I was want to play it, I can actually do that in just one click. So I'll just click on share external video. I'll just enter my URL of Vimeo, and I'll just play it for you guys. You can just watch this video from just a moment. Let me I just copied the wrong link. I'm sorry. I got the right link here now, copied, and I'm going to share the external video now. Here we go. So now you can actually see the video. Say yes if you guys can see the video. Awesome. I can manage this video. If I'll just pause, it will be paused for all of you. If I'll just play, it will be played again. Okay, so this is the video kind of thing. You can play your YouTube video, you can play or your Vimeo video, or if you have your own MP4 file, you can play that as well, but you have to host it on your cloud, okay? Now, if I want to just manage my presentations, I can have multiple presentations. Like I can have my default PDF, which I can share right now. So this is the screen which is like my yes, you can do that, Hasmukh, you can do that. This is my screen. You can see right now I can write anything on this like Hasmukh. So you guys can see that it's a simple whiteboard feature. It's not that rocket science. So you can do that. You can use your pencil or you can use your Apple Pencil using your iPad. Okay, this is the thing. I'm going to move my other presentation now. Now we've got the other presentation. You can actually switch it. Okay, you can switch it. Thank you. Now, you can actually do the thing on the slide as well. Let's say if you want to just do something on the slide, you can actually do that using the pencil or using these things like this. So you can do this on the slide. You can make your things on the slide like this. Okay, perfect. So you can you can write or you can do things on the slides. I'm just going to give you a demo. So product is going to look like, I'll just share my screen. Just a moment. I'm just going to share my screen, guys. Share your screen. I will just share my screen. Okay. So the user interface will be changed. Right now, this is the version 4, right? The user interface will be changed. We have actually taken the user interface of StreamOut, which is more intuitive and more beautiful, and is going to be completely changed, right? And the room, I just wanted to give you a demo of few things which are really important. Like you have this option available. If I'll just click on this room, okay. Please, okay, I think my screen is not shared or what? I've shared my screen. All right. So this is the new room actually, and we are still working on to change the user interface of this room. So in next couple of weeks, you will see a completely new room design, and this room is going to be replaced with a new room, and we'll have a couple of slightly more features. But for now, you have all these features, like you can actually clear all the status of status icons here, right? Right now, you guys have option to I can unlock anyone, I can promote anyone to moderator, I can make anyone a presenter, I can provide a right to white label. Let's say we have like Anirudh is here, or let's say Brian is here. So Brian, I'm going to give you a right to, first of all, I'm going to unlock you, right? Now you are unlocked, and I'm just going to give you the whiteboard access. So after this, I'm just going to stop my sharing my screen. Just a moment. So now we have the whiteboard, right, which I've given to the Brian. Now Brian can also write or can do something on the screen. You can see this is the Brian who is writing, not me, right? I can provide the very, very selective permissions to someone like Brenda. Brenda, I'm just going to give you, or Brenda, I can see two Brendas here, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm just going to provide rights to Stevie. Stevie, are you here? Yes, awesome. Or yeah, Stevie's here. So Stevie, I'm just going to make you a like a presenter. So you can just share your webcam, or you can share your I'm going to unlock you as well. So you can share your camera, webcam, and you can just share your microphone as well with us. So anyone, like during the live sessions, you can upgrade anyone, you can make anyone a presenter. You can see your things like like Sebastian. Let me just share my screen once again so you guys can actually see. I'm sorry, Stevie, I'm taking my presenter rights back. I'm going to share my screen, and everything is happening on the real time. You don't have to wait. You don't have to wait for, hey Stevie, I can see you now, brother. All right. Okay, so I'm just going to show you. You can see my screen, right? See, I can see who has a better internet and what time frame. Let's say Sebastian is right now for Sebastian it's 10 p.m. or he must have kind of a not very good signals, or kind of signals like this. Lisa has better signals than Sebastian for sure. You can see the kind of internet things, and you can see who has, even Yoshi and Al and Ken, they have even better internet, very good connection, must be in hundreds of Mbps. You can see who has a better internet connection, who has joined when, who, let's say, will join at 10:33, who joined when. And not only this, you can enable the webcams, and you can enable the desktop sharing with them as well. Okay. All right. Now I'm just, if somebody just raise the hand, I'll be notified. I'll see the notification. Like Abigail Daniel actually raised the hand. Somebody, Lyle raised the hand, and Polly, somebody raised the hand. Oh, people, don't don't raise it. Lower your hands. Don't do this. Okay, if somebody will do that, you know what I can do here? I can mute all. Because I muted everyone, so I was also muted because I also I'm also in the list. I've unmuted myself. I hope you can hear me now. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Okay. So I can actually mute everyone. I can clear all the status updates if somebody is raising hand. If somebody is using some kind of status during the webinar, we can have a separate notes. Like right now we have shared notes option here. So we can have the shared notes, right? But I can also have the private notes, which I can just share with my moderator, no one else. So let's say, like who was it? Somebody was writing. Michael is writing. Moses, Gabriel is writing. I can see who is writing here, right? I can see who is writing. I'm also writing. See, and it's Gabriel is writing now. Sebastian is writing. So this is the kind of a public, collaborative, notes. You can have the collaborative notes. You can make notes like which everybody can see. But you can also have the private notes where nobody can see. Those will be private notes. Nizam is writing. Sebastian is writing. Fauzi is writing. John is writing. I can see who is writing what. And I can actually, everything is being recorded as well. Thank you so much. Whoever written Mintware is number one. I really appreciate. We are number one just because of you. I cannot, but we can. I believe in this philosophy, honestly speaking. We could have achieved it just because you guys, like never cursed us. You guys never actually, like left us or like never ditched us. You guys always were there and always supported us. It supports Chinese. It supports all the languages, multilingual, and you can write in any language. We support multilingual for all our products. After Zextra, every single product will be multilingual. We have decided a couple of things. If our support is not ready, we will not launch any product. If our testimonials are not ready, we will not launch any product. If our 100% knowledge base is not ready, we will not launch any product. If our system is not 100%, like translatable or kind of multilingual, we will not launch that. So these are a couple of benchmarks we have set for us, and we are not going to launch anything which is not like going to touch that benchmark. It is not be available for you. I know many of you are very disappointed. Like we've launched Zextra 2 months back in a webinar, and we sold it for a couple of users, like 10-12 users, and they are actually of course asking us for the tutorials and everything. But that was the time when we launched it, and we decided to work on it, and we redo everything, and we are launching it tomorrow now. And Zextra is going to be an amazing. We'll talk about Zextra later, but right now we are talking about this platform, this amazing platform. Thank you so much. I love Maddie, whoever written this. Anirudh, I think you did it. Thank you, Anirudh. Sebastian is still writing. Laura Ipsum. Thank you, Sebastian. So nice of you. You are creating a list. Thank you so much, guys. I will just close this now. I'll go back to the, thank you, everyone. You're all, Dennis and Doug, thank you so much, Doug. You're all accounts of HQ webinars, like all of you, it will be upgraded. And unlike others, we don't resell the upgrades, right? We never do that. This is our kind of an arrangement that who have ever purchased a product will keep getting free upgrades forever. That is the motto of Mintware. Otherwise, like it is going to be a big problem, or it is going to be it's not cool to keep launching the same again and again, same product. I mean, I don't appreciate that. I don't like that. So if you have purchased XFunnels, there's a good news for you. We are coming up with XFunnels Reloaded pretty soon, within a month time. We are relaunching our CodeZippy once again, which is again a CodeZippy Reloaded, and we are coming up all the free upgrades in the next couple of weeks. So everybody who have ever purchased any product will get a free upgrade for sure. Okay, I just wanted to show you a couple of new amazing things. Like I'm in this webinar. I'm just going to create a breakout room for you guys. Okay, so what and how it works. First of all, I'm just going to create, I can create 16 breakout rooms. It is completely based on your license. Few of you must have 8, 4, or 12 or 16. So it is, if you have a lower license, you'll be able to create only 4 breakout rooms. If you have the highest license, you'll be able to create 16 breakout rooms. So I will just create 2 as of now. And I can choose what's the duration is going to be for this breakout room. I'm going to add Gabriel in this room 1. I'm going to add Yoshi in this room 1. Guys, don't leave. You will be here, but you are just going to the other room. I'm going to add Doug in this room. I'm going to add Alan in this room, right? And I'm going to add a couple of more users like Michael in the room 2. I'm going to add Ron in the room 2. I'm going to add Ken in the room 2, and Thomas and Glenn. I'm going to add you in this room. Okay, now you guys are going to be here for not 15 minutes, but I'm going to keep you there for just a minute, right? Let's say 5 minutes, okay? And which is minimum here. And I'm going to create, or you can randomly assign users, like randomly they will be equally divided in all rooms, right? And I'll just create a breakout room now. And you see the room has been created. And now what will happen? Every user will be redirected to the breakout room automatically. Now you can see I have a room 1 and room 2. And right now there is no user, but now we have 2 users, Glenn and Michael in the room 2. And now we have Gabriel and Sebastian in the room 1. Now we have Doug in the room 1 also, like as well. Now if I want to join this room, I can click on join room and I'll be redirected to the room. So I'll be just talking to these 3 guys in person, like personal discussion. And if I want to join room this, I can actually join this room as well. I can talk to Glenn and Michael in that room personally. I don't want to discuss anything about something in public, but I can create breakout rooms and I can have a separate dedicated discussion with these users in private. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is the room. Like I'm going to remove these rooms. So everyone will be back. I'm going to have. Sorry, I'm going to remove this. I'm going to not here. I'll just have to. Okay, I've just created for the 5 minutes, so they'll be there for the 5 minutes. I can just end out the break rooms. Okay, now here we go. We've got all the users back. Okay, here we go. I'm sure we will get Glenn back. We'll get all these users back again in this list. Yeah, we got 1 user back. Who is back? Glenn back or Gabriel, Doug? Who is back here? I think Glenn is back. Sorry, yeah, Gabriel is back. Glenn is back. Doug is back. Yes, thank you. Okay, so this is how you can actually create breakout rooms where you can like have a separate and private discussion with. Yes, Gabriel, it works. You can have a private discussion. Thank you, Glenn. You can have a private discussion with your own users, right? Now, I just wanted to show you one more feature, which is pretty good. Don't worry about this user interface as of now, but you will see a new user interface on Monday. Monday you will get, because we have decided one more thing, that we will never provide any access on the weekend, because it is going to be disastrous. The team is not available on Saturday, Sunday, and something has happened. You will just create a lot of mess. So we will provide you on the weekdays only. Right. Now you can have the webinar registrants, which is very important to understand that you can see who has joined. Like Jamie, I can see Jamie's face here. I can see, like Robert's face here. I can see Lee's face here. I can see Leon's face here. Not only this, I can actually invite them. I can manually add them. I can just bulk upload. Now there's a new feature which is inside the V5. Right now I'm logged in on a V4 because I've created this webinar before getting this V5 upgraded. So I cannot log into that right now, but you will understand what I'm talking about. This thing, so that you will be able to not just bulk upload, but you will be able to actually invite bulk users, and this is going to be an amazing feature, very, very important feature to have. You can make it bigger. There's a button. See, look at this button here. If you click on this, this screen will be bigger like this. And you can always make full screens. You can always make screens minimize the screens. This is the button. You can do that. Or if you want to make some persons, you can always make them bigger. Okay, you can do that. That's easy. There's a full screen button here. There's a full screen button on each and every window, so you can make it bigger on the full screen. Okay, now this is it, right? There are a couple of more amazing features which we are working on right now, and we'll get in a new HQ Webinar Reloaded version, next version of Reloaded. But so far so good. It is an amazing platform. Right now we have 132 people. It is running so smooth. We have 2 people here on. I've shared my screen already. I'm just going to stop my screen. Okay, when I've stopped my screen, I'll get my presentation back here. And thank you for this. All right. Okay, I'll come back to the thank you again. But before that, I just wanted to announce this thing that we are launching this platform called Zextra. Right. I would really appreciate if you guys can hear what I'm saying. Right. If you guys can just be focused, whatever I'm saying, it is going to be a very, very big opportunity for you to have this platform in your bucket, because I know every person in this industry purchases lot of white label or lot of reseller products, but they don't know how to actually sell it. They are so many problems. Like sometimes they don't have thank you. Sometimes they don't have a sales page. Sometimes they don't have a ready blog. Sometimes they don't have a website. Sometimes they don't have a complete system where they can actually manage things. Okay, so Matt, I will just we'll have a Q&A session after this at the end of this, and then definitely we'll okay. Thank you, Matt. Thanks for your thank you. Okay, so I'm just going to share my screen, guys, once again, and just wanted to give you a glimpse of that product, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So, and at the end of this webinar, I'm going to provide one user this access, and we will choose that user in front of you on the live webinar by using a random selection of user from the webinar of HQ Webinar. This is also a feature, right? I'll show you how you can actually share this thing. Okay, you guys can see my screen now. Just say yes, because I cannot see it. I'm coming back. Yes, perfect. Okay, so this is the screen. What is Zextra? First of all, you have to understand, we released Zextra to launch some lifetime deals as a platform. Then we decided that there are so many other lifetime deal platforms, and it is not going to be very helpful for us as a business. We should have a platform where people actually can sell their own products, not just we are going to select and we are going to launch something and then you can purchase. No, this is all it is happening everywhere. So what we've done, we have created a platform for you where what you can do, you can actually create so many. I'm just going to remove this, so I'll show you from the scratch. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere, because you're going to see something like magic and you're gonna love it, right? So we have this dashboard. First of all, I'll give you a demo of other things like my settings. When you go to my settings, you have this profile, and from profile you can manage your profile. Under the security tab, you can change your password, or you can set your reset your password. We have done for you API, which you can actually use right now. Let's say Matt _-API can create a new API, and here you can see the API key, which you can actually use to connect Zextra with any platform out there. Any platform, not only just one or two, but thousands of platforms you can connect using this API key. Okay, so this thing is there. Stripe account you can connect. One more announcement, we are also adding PayPal account, which will be available by tomorrow. So you can connect your PayPal and Stripe, of course. Now I've already connected my Stripe account here. I've already created so many video tutorials on Loom. I'll show you these video tutorials, and I will show you we have an intuitive, documentation of Zextra.com on Docs. So we have created this documentation, like what are you going to get and how to do this, like settings, how to manage profile, how to reset password and all those things, and configure your first product, set up your white label product from library, configure downloadable product, and everything we have just created from scratch. And now if you click on it, you will see a step-by-step guide. This kind of documentation we are going to create for each and every product in future. And when I'm saying future, I'm not talking about ages, I'm talking about few weeks or maybe months, right? I'm working on my time management, guys. You can just appreciate for that. So I've stopped making false commitments. I've stopped making I'll do it tomorrow kind of thing, because I've been taking some classes on time management. I've been learning it, and I've stopped saying all those things. It will be done tomorrow, or it will happen on so and so date. So I'm learning those things now. This kind of work I'm talking about will be happen within few weeks. Like we've done it for Zextra. For second thing, we're going to do it for HQ Webinar, and then we'll be doing it for MailZap, because we are going to release a newer upgrade like for MailZap and Firelist on 10th of this month. So you'll get the very, very similar, identical kind of a documentation, and like these kind of videos. I've created like tons of videos, how to manage user plans, how to manage blog posts, how to manage coupons, how to use coupons on checkout page, how to create custom pages and navigation on Zextra, how to customize sales page, how to connect custom domain. And on Zextra, this is the first time we are giving this feature that if you are going to connect your domain with Zextra on Zextra, you don't have to follow all those lengthy processes which you used to follow while connecting your custom domain on Mintware. So what you can do, you can just 3 clicks, your domain will be connected. And we, as a Zextra, as a Mintware company, we are giving you 100% free SSL with each and every domain. Let's say if you have unlimited plan, you are going to have unlimited free SSL, which you have to pay for. If you are just purchasing it from Namecheap or purchasing it from GoDaddy, you have to pay $30-40 for one SSL, which we are giving for free. If you have unlimited license or bundle license, you don't have to purchase any SSL ever. So you will get a 100% free SSL if you have Zextra license. Okay. And we have created these kind of tutorials here. Now, what you can do with Zextra? That is the main question. So you can have custom SMTP. Not only this, but you can manage your taxes. When we launched our product called Zcart initially, then we realized that taxes is going to be very, very major, game changer in the whole product. When you are going to create a marketplace or membership site or your software as a service or your downloadable product, you have to have taxes properly implemented on your checkout page. So we have actually imported all these real-time tax information from a very reputed Intuit company's website, and this information is 100% correct. Still, if you are not comfortable, or if you don't think that this is the 10%, it should be 9%, you can always click on edit and you can change it just from 10 to 9, and it is going to be just for you, not for others. So it is very subjective, and it is a very personalized thing. We have already imported almost, if you will search United, you see for every state, like on Colorado it's 2.9%, on Georgia it's 4%, on Louisiana it's 4%, on Maryland it's 6%. I'm sure you must have, you must be aware of these taxes. You can say whether it is correct or not. So this is the kind of a tax format we have actually imported, which is going to be implemented, on the checkout form. Let's say if your buyer is coming from Maryland, the Maryland's tax will be implemented automatically. So we have a very smart tax management, mechanism on Zextra. Okay, these are the settings. Now I'll go back to the dashboard. Okay, I won't take much time. I know you guys are not, you are busy people, but I will take a couple of minutes to explain everything, because I cannot explain everything in just 2 hours, because it is a very vast and very big platform. But I'll try my best to explain what you can do. Why I'm explaining it to you? Because every product you have purchased from Mintware this is the time from now onwards you can start selling all those products as your reseller or as a white label using Zextra in just 60 seconds. I'll show you how. First of all, when you click on add new product, there are two scenarios, or I would say there are three scenarios. Scenario number one, whether you don't have a product or you have a product, right? So there are two scenarios. You don't have a product, and there's another that you have a product. The third scenario is you don't have a product and you don't want to sell anything from the Zextra library, which is white label, but you want to just resell the products of Mintware. So there are three scenarios. You can just do everything in 60 seconds. I'll show you how. I'll show you how you can create a fully functional website, fully functional blog, fully functional checkout process with your all payment gateway connected in just 60 seconds, right? So let's say EverZippy. We are giving 10 products. We'll talk about the products later, but let's say there's a platform called EverZippy. I'll just have to click on add to dashboard. That's it. It is added on the dashboard. I'll go back to the dashboard now. If I'll go back to the dashboard, I'll see EverZippy is already added here. Now I have these three options. Either I can access the product, I can access the seller's dashboard, or I can remove it. So if I'll just click on access seller dashboard, now this dashboard is very, very unique and intuitive and completely designated for EverZippy white label product, right? So this is the URL of your website of this like your shop, you can say. It can be your own custom domain like match.com or gland.com or any other anything like that. Right now you have this awesome bar navigation bar. You have this header here. You have this information, the features, all the features of this platform, the testimonials and the plans like monthly, yearly, or one time. You have all the FAQs. You have the footer. Okay, but you have to change it. Of course, you don't want to use the similar kind of a page for all your products, but you have to configure it. You have to customize it. So it is so easy that your shop is ready. It's ready now, but you can start selling it immediately. Like I can show you, it is ready. Your payment is connected. We are giving you done for you plans ready inbuilt, so you don't have to recreate those plans. You can just edit it, right? I'll show you how. Like one time, you can click on get instant access. You'll be redirected here. See, I'm coming from India. That's the reason we charge 18% GST. If you will open it like in your on your computer, it will be, this tax will be different. It will be as per your own location. Okay. All right. I can purchase it right now, but I just wanted to show you. Before that, I want to show you how to set up. You can have your own logo, right? You can have your white logo, your fav icon. You can have your own support email address, support URL, meta description to generate organic traffic. Then you can configure a custom domain here, right? You can customize. You can have a custom domain with free SSL. Okay. And it is so easy that you just have to add one record and click on submit. That's it. It won't take ages, or it won't take so much tech skills or technical skills to connect domains. We have done it already, done all kind of programming for you, so you don't have to follow lengthy processes. Okay. Then the third thing is set up homepage. It is very intuitive and very important, like a place. From here, you can have the navigation section. Like you want to show the menu or not. Like if you'll hide it, and if you'll just click on submit on like anywhere on this page, and like if you'll come back here on this page, there's no navigation menu. It's gone, right? Here, if you want to just have the navigation menu back, you can click on it. You can click on it, and if you want to just hide this, you can hide it. If you want to change anything, you can just change here. All-in-one live webinar suite. This, I can change this image from here to, let's say I must have a couple of images. I can have this image, not this one, but I can have this image. Okay, I'll just go with this image. I like this image. Okay, you can click on submit button, come back here, and just refresh this page once again. You see, you've got your image. Now it's so easy to change everything, to customize everything. Now you have this live already added here. But not only this, you can customize everything on this page. But not only this, you can have your own custom HTML. How? If you click on this button, add custom HTML, this block will be changed to the very intuitive HTML editor. And we have just added a real HTML editor on this cloud-based product, where you can see all black, all the black letters are text. So you have to understand that anything which is written in the color like green, blue, or red, you don't have to touch it. You just have to change the text. So you can change the black text, and it will not actually change, or it will not mess up with your HTML at all. But you are not a technical person, so you don't know how to write HTML. So we have done it for you as well. We have added GAT blocks option. When you click on GAT blocks here, you will have hundreds of done for you blocks. You can click on any block. Let's say I just want one block, like feature block, or let's say header block. I just want to have a header block. I'm going to have this header block here, which has this, or I'm going to have this header block here, which is this, right? Once it is there, I'm just going to, let's say this one. Yeah, I can check whether it is going to look like responsive on iPad or responsive on phone. Of course it will be. And you can see that I don't want to use light colors, but I want to use black colors, dark colors. When you click on this, everything will be dark in the dark colors. So you can change the colors in just one click, right? You can change everything in the darker theme. And once it is done, you can just, view code, and you can click on copy to clipboard. That's it. Copy to clipboard is going to resolve all your troubles. Now you have a very different kind of header here. So it is so easy to do. It is so responsive that you don't have to bother about responsiveness at all, right? Because I've been listening this responsive issue from ages, and the biggest problems of my life, I've just made the list. Okay, uptime, intuitiveness, tutorials, support, and then responsiveness. So we have worked on this. So there will be no responsiveness issue at all. It will be 100% guaranteed. If you'll find any trouble related to responsiveness, like in the website, you can come to me and you can take a refund anytime after 5 years. I have no problem with that. Okay, so it is there. You can add so many blocks, multiple blocks. You can customize them easily. You can have your block, and not only this, but you can just change back, and everything else will be back. If you don't want to use that, you can just click on one button. It is foolproof. It is so smart that you don't have to bother. Okay, it has been changed, now what to do? You don't have to worry about it at all. It is smart, it is intuitive, and it's done for you, right? Now, what else? You can have the custom pages, right? What is custom page? Custom page is something like, okay, I want to have a contact us page, and the slug will be contact us. Okay, but I don't have design. Again, we have done it for you. Go to get block, create a contact, choose a contact us, a block here, click on view code, copy to clipboard, come back, paste it here. Simple. No rocket science. Once it is done, your block, your page has been created, right? Contact us page, which has been created here. I'm going to remove the older one so it won't be confusing. Okay, you're done. Now go back to the navigation. From here, you can create, navigations as per your requirement. You don't have to use the same navigation at all. You can have your own navigation, your own links, right? Not only this, but you can have your own links. Just, let's say, I'll show you how to create a membership site on Zextra, right? If you're creating a membership site, you can have two separate links for the guest users and for the authenticated or logged in users. So if somebody is logged in, we'll see different links. If somebody already accessing site as a guest, we'll see different links. So we have this option already there. I'll click on add new item. Of course, contact us. Then we have option static URL or dynamic route. Okay, so you can have static URL like fixed https:// kind of a URL. Or if you want to create a dynamic URL, you have pages and posts like WordPress. So pages, and we have this contact us page here. You want to open it in the same window or new window, of course, new window. Then we have added a font awesome library. This is an amazing. If you want to just add one beautiful icon just in front of your link, you can choose any icon from here, like this or like this. And let's say angle right. I'll just copy this and I'll just paste the name here. And I want to use this in my guest menu or authenticated user menu. It is up to me. I just want to show it to the guest menu. I'll click on submit. That's it. Come back to your page and refresh this. You have this link now here. And when you click on this, this is the page which we have just created in just few easy clicks. Nothing, no rocket science. The page is done. Now you want to customize it. You can just customize this page in few clicks and few seconds, not even minutes. It is already connected now. You can have multiple links on the top and the bottom, and you can have different links for logged in users. It's so easy. Not only this, if you're going to create another link, let's say post link here, I'm going to create a dynamic for posts, right? Okay. Oh, sorry, for the posts, and I'm going to have a what responsive display. This is a post which I've already created. I'll show you how to use it. I'm going to use to the guest menu, and I'll click on submit. Okay, this has been added here. If I'll come back here, I'll refresh. One more link, post link has been added. If I'll click on this, this is my blog post which I have already created using Zextra, right? This is the blog post which I've already created. Now this is my blog. This is a dedicated blog for this product only. If you have 100 products, you can create 100 blogs separately on the 100 custom domains with the 100 custom websites, and with the 100 custom products, you can connect with one payment gateway and you can start accepting payment in just few minutes, right? I have never created a product like this ever in my life. I have no, fear to say this is one of the best products we have created so far. Okay, and now you can have this option, like if you want to just change the kind of link, not here, but under the context, right? Not the main link, but it should be the sublink of contact us. So you don't have to bother. You just come back, refresh. You see the post link is under context now. It's not even, it's just a drag and drop. Nothing like coding or something like that. It's like a post link which is already connected with the same post again. Now, if you want to change it, you can just change it like, no, it is going to be my main link. That's it. You come back, refresh. Now this is the main link. So it's so easy to manage navigation now. Okay, and manage post is so easy. You can create posts like you create on WordPress. We have created a very similar and identical form like you have on WordPress to create a post for blog. We have mentioned each and every place what should be the correct size of the image. This used to be a big problem. People used to ask what is the correct size. So this time we have created the dummy images and we have mentioned it properly with the real size. What should be the real size for this image? So now you don't have to ask again and again to support or to things, right? Now you can create posts and you can manage users, you can manage plans, but I just really want to show you the plans. You can just create a plan in few easy things, right? I just want to create a plan, webinar plan. Okay, this is the feature Matt 1, feature Glenn 2, feature Alex 3, feature Lisa 4, and feature John 5. Now feature Maddie 1, feature Aarti 2, feature Samir 3 are oh sorry, I just messed it up. I'm going to exclude this and I'm going to include this here. Okay, this is the webinar plan. Okay, now I can make it a default plan if I want to. I can connect my NewStripe account or PayPal account. Then I can choose it from here. Is it a one-time or monthly? Now, if it is a monthly or yearly plan, you can actually have the trial period. I'll show you when I'll show you how to create a membership site on Zextra. Then we'll create a trial for 2 days or 7 days. Then we'll see how it is going to work for you. Okay, I'm going to just use it for one time for now. Let's say, $9.99. A checkout is going to be grab this right now or something like that. Click on submit. We'll come back here on the page. where we had pricing one time. Now we have this plan. See, I'm just going to have the comma separated values, guys. Sorry, just a moment. I just forgot to mention comma. I'm going to add it here, and I'm going to add one comma here, 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 and here, 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 and here. That's it. Why comma? Because it is going to be like this. Okay, I'm going to refresh. See, one time. Now we have feature Matt 1, feature Matt Glenn 2, feature Alex 3, feature Lisa 4, and it is again very responsive. If you have two plans, it is going to be equally divided in two, equal size. If it is 3 plans, it will be divided in 3. If it is 4, it will show you the other plan underneath. And if you just see, it is all responsive. No bullshit, okay? It's all responsive, 100% responsive. You see this? And if you come back here, and if you click on grab this right now, it will be redirected to the checkout page. Now I'll show you how to use coupons. I'm sorry, I'm just taking too much time right now, but I really wanted to show you. So I'm just going to use coupon here, and under the coupon you can see 449 off, right? Discount of 449 off plan. Now I can choose multiple plans. I want to just provide this discount on only one plan or on multiple plan. I can choose multiple plan, like on webinar and on one time. Okay, I can choose multiple, but the price of this plan is less than 449, so it will give error. So we'll just go with the one plan right now. Offer, like this off is going to be fixed or percentage. So let's say fixed 449, 449. Coupon code is 449 off, and I'm going to submit. Okay, done. I'm going to come here, 449 off, see processing, and we'll see the discount. Oh, sorry, did I do something wrong? 449 off, just a moment, let me check. 449 off. Okay, I'm just going to use it again. 449 off, processing, invalid coupon for this product, EverZP webinar platform plan. Let me just check if I've just choose the wrong product for this coupon. Let me just edit this. I'll just choose a plan once again. It's a webinar plan. Sorry, I just selected the wrong product. Now I'm going to use this plan again, and we'll see whether, yeah, it is applied. See, discount is $449. It is correct, and now you can purchase it at $429. Now I'm just going to provide my credit card information here. By the way, I've just selected my dummy, test account. So I'm just going to use my test account here. Don't try to purchase anything by using these credentials. You won't be able to purchase anything. But anyways, I'm just going to purchase this because this is my test Stripe account, which I have used. My address, let's say this is my address. I'm just going to use Pearl Tar 201, call Pearl Tower, downtown Dubai, UAE. Let's say this is my address. City is Dubai. Sorry, Dubai 11011. Let's say, and United Arab Emirates. I just have to search for United Arab Emirates. Just a moment. Or I can choose any different location as of now, right? And then I can just choose your I'm agree and process. That's it. So I'm done, and I have purchased my EverZP plan, which I've already accessed. Now see, thank you for purchase your EverZP plan. This. And if I go back to my account here to the reports, you see EverZP Madhadatta paid $729.82 at this time. If you want to see the invoice, you click on invoice and you will see the complete invoice, the ready done for you tax invoice with the proper tax details, and you can just print this invoice or you can share this invoice to the to your users. And if it is trial, you will see the trial. If it is paid, you will see the paid. Okay, you will see the complete. You will be able to export this list, and in future we are thinking or we're planning to connect this with the QuickBooks or some other accounting software, so you won't have to do accounting manually. Once your Intuit account is connected or QuickBooks account is connected, it will started displaying inside the QuickBooks. So it is going to be very intuitive, and it's going to be very, very, very solid product and platform. So now you can actually create a membership site. It's so easy. I won't take much time. It will take few minutes. Click on add my own custom product if you want to resell anything, any product. The best part about Zextra is that you don't have to provide or deliver product manually. It will manage everything automatically. Let's say if you have a software as a service, or if you have a downloadable product, if you have a service, or if you have a membership site, it's your call. You can sell any kind of product, right? If you can sell software as a service product, like on monthly or annual subscription, you can sell downloadable product, which is like going to be very helpful for you to generate a lead magnet, or to sell an ebook or kind of products. Service you can sell if you are a lawyer or doctor, or if you are you are a spa owner or salon owner. You can sell those services by creating like small services, and you can mention it on one page. It's so easy. You can start membership. So we'll start with membership, and I'm going to create a membership like Matt membership site, right? This is the product name. This is Matt's. Sorry, Matt, I'm using your name. Matt's membership. Ship site. Okay, I'm going to choose the product category. Of course, marketing. I can choose a product color logo. I have a logo. I'm sure I have a logo here. Yes, I have this logo. So I'm going to use Velcro. This is some dummy logo. It can be the link for your support or the product URL. Then submit, and that's it. You have to do nothing else. It's done. This is the Matt's membership. Just click on add to dashboard, and bingo. If you go back to the dashboard, you see Matt's membership site is live already. You can click on access seller dashboard. You open this website. You see this URL, which you have already live, and you can connect your custom domain with free SSL. See, Velcro, all site is live. Your users can sign up. If they'll sign up, they'll come here. Now I'll show you how this, the trial thing works. So you come back here, come to the plans. We always provide some dummy plans. You can always delete them or edit them. Okay. Okay. So I'll just come here and I'll just make it a default. Of course, I'll connect my Stripe and I'll provide 2 days trial, 10 days $, 2 days trial. Start for free. Start your free trial. Let's say I'm just going to use this. Now you need to assign products for the membership. Okay, what are the other products which are actually available in this membership site? So let's say if you have 100 products, you can choose this product. You can create a bundle of products here. Okay, this product is going to be available to all my membership site users. You click on update, bingo. You have nothing else to do, right? You come back here and you see, start your free trial. You can click on this, and you can provide your information. Money will not be deducted at all at this point. Money will be deducted after 2 days, as per your promise, right? I'll show you. Okay, I'm going to use this, and I'm going to process. I have created all intuitive dashboards. So, whenever you are guiding this information, let's say I've got this, I must have received the email. See, Matt's membership site. Welcome to Matt's membership. Velcro, your logo, your login credentials. I'm just going to log in, and I got this email inside the updates. It's very important. I'm going to log into the Matt's website here, and my password, which I'm going to use from here to here. And bingo. So I'm logged in, and you see you have 2 days trial left on your trial. So if this payment won't go through, we have dunning feature inbuilt. It will try payment after 2 days, then again, and after a couple of trials, it will just suspend the account automatically, and you have the right to change the plan. Let's say if you go back to your account here inside the reports. You have this Matt membership site. You have sold this person already. You see this, and you go back to the seller dashboard here, Matt's seller dashboard, and click on manage users. You see, you can create all the users manually from here. Anybody who is not actually able to purchase from the website, you can actually manage or create users from here. These are the manual users, and you can choose all the plans which you have already created from here. You can click on add new plan, it will be redirected, but you don't have to use this feature at all. We have just provided this manage user features, just kind of a backup, because it will happen automatically. You don't have to manage it manually at all. And not only this, we have the documentation on every page. So if you are on this page, you don't know how to manage coupons, there's a button called documentation in the bottom. You can click on that and you can just see how to manage coupons in just one click. So, or how to just set up a white label library, right? It's so easy. And we are going to add all these videos which I have already recorded here, like on one page. And on this page, we will provide the link. So video tutorials will be there, step-by-step knowledge base will be there, and the product like this, which is a very massive and very intuitive and very solid product, which you can actually start using from day one. And you can set up your things just in few clicks. All right, guys, now I will just answer your questions and I will just read. Have to go into the meeting. Will this be available recording later? Yes, Bob, definitely. We will provide you the. Again, when the Zextra going to roll out update, we are actually launching it tomorrow, but for today's webinar, if I just want to show you the kind of a funnel we have right now. So if you just open the Zextra.com/JV, okay, and I'll just show you my sheet which I have already created for the Zextra users for our own purpose. We have two licenses in the front end. Earlier we had a monthly payment plan, but we just skipped it and we changed it. Let we are not provide any monthly payment plan for the 7 days, but after 7 days it will be completely on monthly subscription model. There will be no one-time payment. So right now we have these things here. If you come here on this page, you will see what we have in the funnel. Okay. So we have 5 white label apps. You can purchase it at $77. Then you can create 10 products. You can have 10 GB file storage limit. You can connect 10 custom domains. You will get ready API. You'll have a limit of 500,000 monthly viewers, and you'll have a limit of 5,000 customers, and then 10 custom pages you can create. You won't have a white label of Firelist. You won't have a white label of HQ Webinar. You won't have the cart abandonment feature. You won't have live chat support feature. You won't have a VIP group access, and you won't have the app customization. But if we have a bundle for $277, which will have 10 white label apps, including all these 5 apps which we have right now. Plus, we are going to make CodeZP white label. We are going to make XFunnels white label, and we are going to provide 2 more apps which are going to be completely white label. And you can start selling on Zextra in just a few clicks, right? This bundle actually doesn't include a white label of Firelist or white label of HQ Webinar. This bundle has all the licenses and all the features of like unlimited feature of OTO1. You don't have to pay $197 a month if you have purchased this. If you have purchased this 77, then you have to pay $197 to get all the unlimited rights. But still, in the OTO2, which is monthly subscription plan, which comes at the price of $47 monthly, then you'll have access of white label Firelist and white label of HQ Webinar reloaded. Okay, then you'll have like a 200 GB storage limit, but you have to pay 77, then you have to pay 97 or 197, then 47 per month. That is the kind of a funnel we have created. And then OTO3 for $297. If you will just calculate everything, it is going to be approximately $600 plus $400, $500 per year to have HQ Webinar reloaded, or some other different platforms like Firelist, XFunnels, or all those platforms. But in today's webinar, for our own users, we are actually giving an exclusive thing. I'm just going to share the. Yes, you can sell, Kelvin. You can sell. You can sell any product, like any digital product. It can be ebook. It can be someone else's affiliate product. If you have some reseller rights of some products, you can start selling it immediately. There is, you can have any kind of a product, Okay, so I'm just going to share the link with you guys here. I'm sure you must have. Let me just share the link here. Just a moment. I'm just getting the link. Okay, Milan, can you just share the link, please? Please share the link in the chat. Okay, thank you. Yes, you can customer connect custom domain for page builder. Yes, of course, you can connect a custom domain for any product. Let's say if you have your own product, you can have your own thing. Yeah, thank you, Aarti. You have already shared the link here. So this is the thing I'm just going to share. I'm going to open this and I'll just share with you guys. In this bundle, you will get everything. You don't have to pay any monthly recurring. You don't have to pay any kind of a single penny to get or anything like in Zextra. You will get almost everything. It will create automatic license, it will create automatic user, and it will have the dunning feature. Let's say if you have 100 users who are paying you monthly and 10 users are not able to make payments, you can choose whether their account will be suspended automatically or not. So you can have, see, this is not you don't have HQ Webinar white label, because we have never launched white label earlier, Egbert. So this is the first time we are going to provide white label rights of HQ Webinar with Zextra, and only in this webinar. This is just an exclusive webinar for our users, where you can actually purchase this product at this price and with all unlimited features with 10 amazing apps. So if you have all other apps, you don't have the rights of white label, because we have never launched white label, Egbert. Let's say if you're Xfunnels or HQ Webinar, you don't have white label rights. But in Zextra, you can sell any product. You can sell your own product, your own custom products. If you have purchased product from other affiliates or other vendors, you can start selling them here. And let's say if you have purchased product from Ifiok or some Sam Becker or Paul Pona, right? You have purchased a product from some other vendor, Neil Napier. What they do, they provide you a dashboard from here where you can create users manually. But if you have Zextra, you don't have to bother about having the dashboard or having the reseller panel or having any kind of white label panel, multiple panels. You can manage everything at one place. Not only this, you can have white label rights of all these platforms, all these products at one place. So you can start selling these platforms, from one place. Yeah, I mean, I'm just saying it, Nico. I didn't mean that. You can rebrand and sell them to your own users. You can have your own branding. You can have your own things, like that. Okay, so you can connect your Pabbly is already there. Pabbly, you can connect Pabbly. You can connect Pabbly with the Zextra. You can connect your payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal, which are already there. And thank you so much, Nico. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your kind words. So guys, again, I'm going to share my screen once again. You guys can see. You are going to get almost everything. Like, what are the problems every entrepreneur or every person has to face if they are going to create a marketplace. They don't have a website. They don't have sometimes people don't have design sense. They don't have infrastructure to sell. They don't have infrastructure to host a website. Huge development or infrastructure cost involved. You don't have products, expensive hosting needed, blog needed, generating organic traffic, right? And a lot of manual work for like managing subscriptions of your users. There is no dunning feature like out there. A lot of tools are needed to start selling products. If you are not using Zextra, I bet you have to use minimum 6 or 7 products to sell your products. Use without Zextra, but on Zextra, you don't have to use any other product, you can start selling in just few seconds. In just few seconds, I'm not saying minutes. You can create a product and your website will be ready. You can start selling by just connecting your payment gateway. Everything else, your coupon, your subscription, your dunning, abandonment, everything will be managed automatically. You will get a list of the people who tried to purchase but couldn't purchase. So you can coordinate with those users. You can convert even better. You can convert more users. And not only this, you can have, you can just choose a product, connect a product, give access, and done. That's it. There's no rocket science in this. If you are actually right now, if you are just going to purchase it in this webinar, you just have to pay for everything. This is an exclusive bundle for this webinar only. You will just have to pay this. You will get everything, like no monthly recurring, no some things like trainings and everything. And if you are purchasing today, you will get a live chat support from our team, and we have hired a dedicated live chat person, so who's going to help you like on the live chat if you are purchasing it today, right? If you just calculate everything, no bullshit, I'm not giving you just a marketing gimmick or something. Generally it is going to be worth to approximately $3,000 if you calculate everything, right? Even if you calculate things like average ZP white label, or like page builder white label, or cloak URL white, if you calculate the price of these white label products, is going to be more than it, like $2,000-$3,000. But what are you going to get today? At the price of $497, you will get unlimited products, you will get unlimited users, you will get 10 white label apps, you will get unlimited custom product setup. You don't have to worry about, you don't have to think about multiple unlimited free SSLs, right? And let's say if you have 100 products, if you have created 100 websites on Zextra, if you calculate the price of 100 SSL, it's going to be more than $3,000 itself. So you'll get those free. You will have a 200 GB storage for free, hosting space. You'll have a unlimited custom domains. There's no limit. You'll have unlimited visitors every month. You can run campaigns. You can run ad campaign. I guarantee you to have 99.9% uptime. If Zextra will go down, you can take refund, right? Anytime. And I will not close your account. Your accounts keep running. Plus, we are giving you 100 days money back guarantee with Zextra. How confident we are. We are giving you 100 days money back guarantee, not 14 days, not 30 days. We are giving you 100 days money back guarantee. You can come back to us. You can ask your refund anytime during these 100 days. So you have the 100 days free trial. You can enjoy this free trial of 100 days. And on the 99th day, you can come to us. You can take a refund back anytime, right? There's no question asked policy. So at the $497, you are going to get what? You're going to get everything unlimited, plus HQ Webinar Reloaded white label, Firelist white label. You'll get EverZP white label. Not only the existing products, you will get Xfunnels white label. You will get CoachZP white label. You will get a modal pop-up filter white label. You will get a product white label, which is going to be helpful for you to add videos and add countdown timers in MailZap. So in the upcoming MailZap release on the 10th, we are going to make this live feature live, that you'll be able to add videos inside your emails. You'll be able to add custom countdown timers inside your emails. So we have created a separate product for that where you can create videos and you can actually create those countdown timers. You can connect you can add in your email. So all these products are coming for free for this platform. And not only this, you can sell anything. You can create multiple membership sites. You can create multiple unlimited, downloadable products. You can sell any reseller products or white label product. You can sell any service. You can set up store for your own different companies. You can make money, out of just having this platform. Let's say if you have this platform, you can start selling it to your own audience. You can build your own audience. Like Glenn is going to create websites for their own customers. So their customers will have a dedicated website like marketplace, membership site, or you can start your service on Fiverr. You can start selling service on Fiverr, like in $200, I can provide you a fully featured blog. I can provide you a fully featured membership site with very good white label products. So you can start think about it. Think about the opportunity you have. You can start selling things in just few easy clicks, in just few easy, things. Okay, I'll just answer your questions now, guys. Okay, Dasha, 10 apps. The apps are going to be. Let me just show you the apps. So the apps are going to be, first of all, there's an Everzippy, then HQ Webinar Reloaded. Of course, Everzippy is going to have an upgrade pretty soon. So you'll have all the upgrades for free for the lifetime. So you don't have to bother about it. And your users also will get the free upgrades for lifetime for all the existing apps. But not only these apps, but you can have your own custom apps and own custom membership sites on Zextra. So Everzippy page builder, which is very intuitive. We are going to add this page builder on, like Zcart and our Xfunnels. You'll have a platform like Vidmock, so you can create multiple amazing videos, or add video ads or videos in the Vidmock. You'll have an apps app, so you can convert any website to mobile app. You have a Cloak URL app, which is going to be completely 100% white label for you. You can start selling. There's a product called Click Perfect or Perfect Click. They sell their services at $9 or $19 per month, and they have thousands of users. You can start your service like that to Cloak URL or to just like proxy URL, and you can start make money. You'll have HQ Webinar. You'll have Xfunnels. You'll have a pop-up and build this builder. You'll have this platform Firelist, and you'll have a platform where you can actually create these videos, and you can add countdown timers in your emails on Mails app. So yeah, these are the 10 apps we are going to provide you, including in this license, and every product will have unlimited rights, right? Unlimited rights. So there is no reseller, right? We are not providing any reseller license at all in this funnel. So because Zextra is going to be on a monthly subscription after 7 days, we are not selling it at reseller through resellers at all, right? You will get a notification from us, SK, on Monday. The account will be upgraded. When you log in, you will see a new HQ Webinar, 100% new HQ Webinar. Thank you, Ken. And if you have any question, guys, I'm just going to ask a question. Didn't get it. Is MailZap part of this deal? No, MailZap is not a part, but Firelist is a part of this deal. So you'll get Firelist is very similar product of MailZap. You can say if Firelist is even better than MailZap because it has amazing options to warm up your list, and it has more features. You can connect your own SMTPs. You can connect even Gmail or Google SMTP to send emails. So it is already there. Nico, this deal is available just for today because tomorrow we are launching, and the price is going to be completely different. You will not get this deal ever again. If you are interested, you can purchase it right now. You don't have to buy this to get HQ Webinar upgrade. Of course not. You will get a free upgrade. But if you want to have HQ Webinar white label, then you should purchase it. Or if you want to have a platform where you can start selling any digital product, or you can set up marketplace, membership site, or any kind of a things, you can start doing it right now by just purchasing this. So it is going to be available for next 2-3 hours. You can purchase anytime. The link is here. I'm just going to provide you the direct link of this platform, so you don't have to just scroll on the page at all. Okay, I'm just going to share the link with you guys. Can you just share the link of my affiliate URL, please? Share my affiliate URL. My affiliate URL, yeah, share it. Okay, what level of OT is included in the reseller? There is no reseller right. If you are purchasing it right now, you will get every single license included in the whole funnel. So $297 offer is not available at all, because if you purchase $297, you have to pay $47 monthly to have HQ Webinar whitelist, or to have a Dunning feature, or to have a couple of more things, because that is a complete separate license. But in this license, you have everything like included, and it is going to be unlimited license. Plus, you will have a separate dedicated training, and we'll have a series of webinars for you guys. We are going to have a separate Skype group where we can discuss like our other Skype group. CoachZippy is going to be part of this, Avishkar, for sure. CoachZippy is going to be part of this. Yes, it is resolved already, Khalid. It is already resolved. We have already fixed those things in the newer version. Yes. Okay. And thank you so much, guys. Aarti, are you going to share the link? Okay, let me just get the link. Just a moment, guys. Just a moment. This is like one of its kind offer. Like if you are purchasing it right now, you don't have to purchase anything else like in this product at all. Like you don't have to purchase. You don't have to pay anything monthly for the HQ webinar, because HQ webinar, whoever is going to have HQ webinar reloaded for white label will have to pay $47 per month. But if you are purchasing right now, you don't have to pay. If you are going to resell a fully featured autoresponder with your own name on your own domain, you have to pay $47 per month. But if you are purchasing right now, you don't have to pay anything, like recurring. You just have to pay one time. This is exclusive for our users. We are not going to provide this deal to any other, like user. If you are going to, if you're going to use it right now, going to purchase it right now, you'll be able to get everything unlimited, right? I'm just going to get the link for you guys. Just a moment. Here we go. I'll answer your questions, guys, here. Just give me some time while we'll have this Q&A thing. Do you have the link? Yeah, so I'm going to answer. She's getting the link. Thank you, Aarti. Thank you so much. So nice of you. Okay, so I'm just going to answer the questions. 100 days refund guarantee for sure, no doubt about it. Yes, Cindy, you if you just log in, you will get the link of, you'll get the products inside the dashboard, just done for you. So these are the white labels and unlimited license for you. Yes, of course. Okay, write down 10 apps. Okay, I'm just going to write down 10 apps. Everzippy here, Page Builder here, Vidmock here, the video platform, Cloak URL platform is here. Okay, it is another platform like, let me just get a list here. Okay, yeah. So app, the app is here, and modal pop-up, builder is here. It's also white label. Xfunnels is here, white label. CodeZippy is here, which is again a white label. Mail, video, and countdown timer builder is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and Everzippy is here for sure. Everzippy is here. Okay, I have already written Everzippy. What else I have missed? A page builder is here. Sorry, my bad. Vidmock, Cloak URL. So 200 GB means, Hasmukh, if you are going to upload your custom product, like you have a you want to sell MP4, you want to sell a PDF, you're actually, thank you, Doug, thank you so much. You will have your own space consumed, so it will be down 200 GB, but it's not just fixed. If you want to have more space, you can contact us. We can provide you more space. Okay. Dating site. We are coming up with dating site very soon, like Minder, not Tinder. Okay. So yes, you can resell them. You can resell them. You can not just resell, but you can sell them as your own product. It is white label. You can have your own logo everywhere. You can have your own branding. You can run it on your own custom domain like Nico.com, not on Mintware or Zextra. On Nico.com, you can set up everything on Nico.com, on Jen.com, on Hasmukh.com. You don't have to bother about just reselling. You can actually have it as your own product. Your completely own product, not just a reseller or white label. but your own product. You can connect your custom domain. You will get a free, SSLs, and okay, Dasha, I must have missed one product. Let me just get a list of the products. So I'll just yeah, Firelist is the last. Yes, Firelist. Sorry, Firelist is there. Sorry, I just forgot. Downloading was not. Yeah, it is working now. I will share with you, Fozzy. You don't worry about that. In the newer version, it will work for sure. Okay, you don't worry about that. Okay, so it is here now, and no, not yet, Nizam. We have no such plans as of now, but maybe in future we'll think about it. I don't want to make any false commitment that StreamOut is going to be integrated with HQ Webinar. There's no such plan as of now, but maybe in future we will think about it. Okay, thank you, Fauzi. Okay, Aarti, are you sharing the link, please? Can you just provide the link? Okay, why don't you provide the link in the chat? Okay, here we go. This is the direct link. You can just click on this link and you can purchase. You don't have to bother about going through the sales page, but whatever I'm saying, you will get every single damn feature which is there with live chat. You'll have live chat support with us. Okay, you will have every single feature with all unlimited rights. Thank you, Christopher. I really appreciate. Thank you, Jose. And no, Jose. Zextra will share the login details for each product like Mintware, right? But your users will get automatically. You don't have to manage it manually. They will receive whenever they'll purchase. They will get an email from your side. So it is automatically managed. You don't have to put manual efforts at all. You don't have to put any manual effort at all. So any older account, I've gone through all old accounts. They have actually already closed, JC, because every single user has already their licenses are expired. They paid $99 for a year, but you are getting lot of value here. Just think about it. You are getting 10 white label massive apps which you can use with your own brand, with your own logo, like Xfunnels. You can have your JC funnels, right? You can have your JC webinar. You can have your JC ever webinar, and you all those accounts will be closed. You will get new accounts, right? We'll provide you the new accounts. Whenever you will purchase, you will get a new account of Zextra, because this Zextra has nothing to do with the older version of Zextra, because that was a lifetime deal. And thank you, JC. Thank you, JC. Okay, so this is the link. You guys can actually purchase it right now. We'll be here for just like next 5 minutes. It's already 1.5 hours, 2 hours. We are going to be here for next 5 minutes. Thank you, Glenn. I really appreciate this. I'll just use it as a testimonial. Thank you, Doug. I'll use it as a testimonial. Guys, you can provide me the testimonials. We have a launch tomorrow, so if you can just write a couple of nice testimonial on Facebook group or on Skype group, I would really appreciate that. That is going to be very helpful. Thank you. It's a high praise. Yes, Lisa, you're right. You're absolutely right. So yeah, anybody who has not purchased it yet, I would really appreciate if you guys can purchase it, because this offer is going to be closed in next 2 or 3 hours maximum. Then you won't have to wait for it. Tomorrow it is going to be completely different deal. You will not get this deal back ever. Okay. If you are really interested, I'm sure anybody who has understanding of having a software as a service business, or anybody who has understanding of having marketplace business, or anybody who knows how massive membership site business is, this is going to be a gold mine for you guys. Not just a gold mine, I would say this is going to be a diamond mine, because once you have purchased the extra license, you don't have to look back, because it is going to be unlimited. You can create unlimited website, not for you, for your users, for your clients, for your customers, you can create a separate business altogether. Not just by selling those products, but you can actually set up or configure someone else's product or membership sites, and you can make money out of them. If you'll just if you'll hire someone on freelancer.com or odesk.com or peopleperhour.com, You have, or Fiverr.com. You have
Hey,
to pay
hello everyone.
$200, $300 easily to just have a blog or just to have a website. I'm talking about you can provide, you can sell membership site with unlimited blog posts, with unlimited, custom features. So it is going to be amazing. Yes, Jan, we have already explained everything about HQ Webinar. We spent almost an hour talking about HQ Webinar. I'm sure you must have joined late, Jan. So yeah, we have discussed about a lot of things. We discussed about HQ Webinar. I gave a complete demo, and I told you that we are going to announce HQ Webinar white label. So that is going to be white label included in this license. So you'll be able to. No, not CodeZP Live. Sorry, I'm sorry. Avishkar, I thought you said CodeZP. Not CodeZP Live. We have not decided yet. Maybe in future, right? No promises, but maybe in future we'll add CodeZP Live. But right now, CodeZP is there for sure. Okay. And every product, whatever I've mentioned up like there, you will get it the white label, and all future upgrades will be there for you for free, for 100% free. No money asked, right? Ever. And in that. In this deal, it's like a win-win, right? You are not going to pay monthly like forever. You are not going to pay any money for monthly subscription to have white label or to Zextra or to some other things. Okay, so no, Hasmukh, you will get this. We are launching it tomorrow. You'll get it, like during this launch time only. You don't have to wait for days. We are not going to let you wait for days. Everything, if you'll purchase, everything will be there for you. Okay, so yeah, this is it. And you can also, yes, everything is ready. All apps are ready, Hasmukh. All apps are ready, 100% ready. We have been using those apps already, so you can start selling them as a white label. But you think about a product as a Zextra, as a product is going to be very powerful. If I'll remove all the white label apps from that, just hypothetically for some time, let's say if you just remove that, still this whole platform is going to be very massive. It is going to have all amazing features which you need to have a membership site, or you to host a downloadable product, to sell a kind of a service product. So it is already there. Okay. So everyone will get a HQ Webinar access on Monday of this new version, because as you know, we have decided that we are not going to provide access on the weekends. So you'll get access on Monday for sure. Okay, and yeah, we are launching it. We are launching it on launching Zextra tomorrow, Dr. Robert. So you will get most of the apps, like by tomorrow. I will try my best to provide all 10 apps. But within this launch time, which is like 5-7 days, 100%. And you have 100 days money back guarantee. You can ask us your money back anytime within 100 days, anytime. Now on 99th day, you can take your money back. So no problem. Jesse, MeetZP and CodeZP Live are very, very expensive products. Honestly speaking, to think about it, you are running a webinar and having hundreds of people. I'm paying money for that for every single webinar. So I cannot provide those products as a white label. Either if I'm getting money on monthly subscription, that is the reason I've added HQ Webinar in a monthly subscription plan. So without a cost, of course, Lisa. So you are going to get everything, even including HQ Webinar reloaded in this deal. You are not going to, you are not going to have a, you don't have to pay any monthly recurring fee for HQ Webinar reloaded at all. All right. So guys, if you just are interested, I will just share the recording of this video later, and you can go through the link. Okay, and you can purchase it right now. If you have already purchased, you can you will get your access immediately. You don't have to wait, or you don't have to worry. And I have already created all the tutorials. We have already created all kind of knowledge base. Thank you so much, Dr. Robert and Glenn. I'm really sorry for my rude behavior that day. So I hope you will just forgive me for that. Sometimes you are completely sucked in, and so if somebody creates nuisance, you feel bad. So okay, all right. Thank you so much, Doug. I'm looking for your testimonials. If you guys can Yeah. Thank you, Glenn. Thank you, Asmuk. Okay, thank you, Brian. Anytime, if you need anything, you are already there in the Skype group. If you are not there already in the Skype group, I would really appreciate if you can join. And I would really appreciate if you guys can go to the Mintware group and you can write some few good lines about Zextra demo or about Zextra. I would really appreciate that. It is going to be a great help. And give us your genuine testimonials. We don't need a fake testimonial at all. If you think this is an amazing product, if you liked it, just write a few words about this product on a Facebook group of Mintware or Zextra. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I would really appreciate your time, your efforts, your support. Tomorrow we are doing a pre-launch webinar. If you are interested, you can actually join that webinar. I'm going to share the link of that webinar here inside this. In case if you are interested, again, don't problem if you can't join, but if you want to join, you can join. I'm just going to share the link of that webinar just right now here inside the chat window. So if you are interested to join a pre-launch webinar, we have launched tomorrow at 11 Eastern time, 11 a.m. Eastern time, and it is going to be pre-launch webinar URL, which is coming to you here right now. Here we go. Okay. Thank you, Eric. Thank you so much. Thank you, Glenn. And I really appreciate all of you. Thank you, Robert. Okay. Yes, you have already approved, Brian. You're already approved. Don't worry about that. Thank you, Khalid. Anybody who's interested, just join this webinar. And please, if you have not purchased it yet, you can purchase the license of this. And it is, I promise you one thing, it is not going to be the disappointment. It is going to be one of the best decisions of your life. I can promise you that. It is. We have spent so much time on Zextra, and we have spent so much energy, efforts, and so much things on Zextra, and it is one of the best products we have created so far. I'm sure you're gonna love this, and thank you so much, guys. I'm just going to signing off now. I hope you enjoyed HQ webinar demo. We'll talk about a couple of more products, and please always join webinars because I'm going to host training webinars in next couple of days and weeks. So always join. There's no harm to join webinar. You will learn something new. You'll understand something new about. We are going to launch something on 5th, some free upgrade of some existing products. We are going to upgrade provide upgrade on 10th, then 15th. Meet-Zippies upgrade is coming up pretty soon. So you'll get a new Meet-Zippies, this is the same link, Cindy. You can purchase it from here or from the JVZoo link. So both are the same thing. There's no, yes, we'll choose a Zextra's winner. Just a moment. I'm going to choose a random user right now. Okay, let's go. Okay, so here's a user, Von Jette Brinson. You won it. You won a free copy. Whoever is this, please contact us and you will get a free copy. This is the user. This is the user. Thank you. Congrats. How do you pronounce your name? I'm sorry. It's a Von Jette, or I'm sorry if I'm just pronouncing it incorrectly. You can contact to our support team and you'll get a free access of the bundle, which is going to be called like $497 right now. All right. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Take care. And just signing off. Okay.